Hey, what it do, YouTube family? Handsome Mother Trucker, man, and we back in this mother sucker, man. And today we're going somewhere a little different, man. Picking up in Birmingham, and we heading to Indianapolis, baby. Y'all stay tuned. Ride with your boy.
If you want the best of my heart, you just gotta see the good in me. 'Cause I could be the rain in your desert sky. I could be the
Our trailer ain't so dirty, but I gotta go pick up a load. I'm kind of in a rush for it. It's kind of like last minute, so just gonna blow it out just a little bit. We gonna touch it up, and hopefully they'll accept your boy. So let's get this trailer blowed out. Alright, YouTube family, make sure our address in. Make sure we good to rock and roll. Going to Birmingham, Alabama, for those who don't know. Place called Ventura. We've never been there before. See what we working with, y'all. See what our ETA looking like. Should be like 2 hours away or something like that. So we got a 1016. Take this how truck parking ticket off here. So as you guys notice, if you woke up today, it's one of them days, you know what I'm saying, that wasn't promised to you. And make sure y'all get thanks to the big person upstairs, for real. Let's rock and roll, baby. Let's hit this road, get this load picked up. Let's get these loads dropped off safely so we can make our moolah, baby. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Woo! Man, I don't know what's going on, but at this point, we just basically just at a standstill. Police just rolled up the side of the road. We ain't even made it out of Atlanta yet, you know. We on our way to Birmingham, finna get ready to get off on 20 West. But we basically just sitting here. I done went completely off duty. So I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I check in with y'all whenever I get up out of it, I guess. Gotta get some real, baby. This guy right here been parked right here since I pulled up right. He ain't even pull up enough for me to even, you know what I'm saying, get some free really like that. You know what I'm saying? But I'm done and he's still in the store, so got a bag out. Hey, how you doing? Picking up? Yeah.
Yeah, go check in.
Do I gotta go check in? Where? It's my first time here.
Turn around. Go back out to this right. Make a left. Go to that next right. Make another left. And you're gonna turn. You're gonna see a sign say pick to the food drop by. You're gonna check into that guard shack. She's gonna be
2 lefts.
Yeah.
Damn. Alright. Damn, that's crazy. Whole time I'm thinking I'm at the right spot. I gotta go back out. Go back out to the main street to make 2 lefts. It's crazy. Well, we back here, y'all. Alright, y'all, so we done made it to the drop lot. We're gonna check in over here, I guess. I'm gonna check in, y'all. I'm sorry about that. I went to the wrong spot. She told me to come over here, so how you doing? Huh?
The door doesn't tell you to put in my yard.
Well, they don't say don't, though.
Yes, it does. It says you got to check in. So that's like check
I mean, I didn't think that I was supposed to just stop right there in mid-traffic because my truck is long.
That's not. As long as you're out the street. If I come out there and I tell you in the street, I'll tell you to pull up.
Yes, ma'am.
But you don't just come in my yard.
Yes, ma'am.
Put your hand out. Put your hand out. Ah, like this. That means I'm mummifying you.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on.
You know you on my vlog, right? And you just whoop me like that.
Oh, if I'm a whoop,
Look, y'all, she just spanked me, y'all. Look what she
You
just
know
did.
what? You don't even got to put it out there because if I'm gonna do it, I'm gonna whoop ass. I ain't gonna just pat you.
Ooh,
Okay?
we y'all. She don't play no games.
I don't. Been around there 40 years.
Yes, man.
I was with my husband 40, married 38.
Congratulations. You still? So you're not married anymore?
Well, I lost my husband.
Oh, okay.
So I still. You can add the window.
Oh, the window. Okay.
Look, you see what this says?
I'm just messing all the way up.
Yeah, you are. How old are you?
I'm 30.
Oh, you can be my baby child. My daughter's 32. My son 40.
Oh.
I just take care of you.
She don't play no games, y'all.
And who is your carrier?
Express Cargo 3051. That trailer number is R306. Christopher Murphy. I know next time. 901-618. I have 003. That's the only number I got.
That's the only number you
Uh-huh.
Guess what?
What?
You got to run to your phone and your phone so you don't have to get it pick up.
What it start with?
Now, get it together and come back and see.
Okay, all right. Okay. Yes, ma'am. All right, y'all. I gotta call my dispatch and get a new number, y'all. I got the wrong pickup number, and this lady, she ain't playing no games with your boy. So she done already spanked me, man. So I gotta holler at y'all a little later on. Let me call my dispatch. Be right back, y'all. We got this number, man. Let's go back and see if it's gonna work. I literally just went in my load information and just found the junk. Really, I didn't see that number at first. I just wrote down the one that I saw that stood out. I'm about to get this number to this lady, man. See what we working with. I think I got it now. I got 04067-208. And I go right back down to the same spot I was at first. Okay.
Right turn, 2 lights, right turn. Where you just came from.
Yeah.
Go around the back of the building, go down 20.
20.
Drop your trailer, then you come back over here. You wait for them to call you. When they call you, you go look back into the trailer. Go to 28 sign.
Okay. So drop it over there and come back over here and get on your nerves again.
You fool some of the people sometimes, but you can't fool me. Nan time. I'm grown. I can be your mama.
I know. I'm just playing with you.
That's okay.
All right, I'll be back.
But if you want to play, you got to play the right way.
I got you. All right. Made me a friend, y'all. I said we about to go over to the same place we just left from. We gotta drop our trailer in door 20 and then hook from that, come right back over here where my friend is. They gonna call my phone and I gotta go right back over there for the door 28 for the paperwork. Then we out. So let's head back over there, y'all. We here to get out and open these doors, baby. Hey, dude in the way like a motherfucker. So he ain't even at the door. I gotta go right here and swing right here. I can't do nothing so he move, y'all. I ain't even finna try it. Let me see if I can go get him. Now we found that guy. He moving right now, y'all. So we about to bag into this spot. Okay, it's on 35.
They told you got to drop and go back.
Go back over there. Yeah. All right, I got you.
And he'll call, when he calls you, she'll come back, hook up. Okay. All right, thank you, man. All right, y'all, we all parked. Let's unhook from this trailer, baby.
Alright guys, we got the trailer dropped in the door. We had our trailer pre-cooled to 35 degrees along the way, so it's about a good 2.5 hours, 2 hours and 20 minutes worth of 35 degrees or whatever. I had to head back over to the, you know, where our friend at. Back to head over here to her, and we're gonna chill and sit back, man, until they call me, man. She don't play no goddamn game. Look at her. She don't play no game. Look at her little ass. I don't think I can fit. My trucker family, don't y'all know these folks just called me already? It ain't even been an hour. I can't complain because we got a fast load. We got a fast load. Let's go pick this load up, baby. Man, this goddamn landing gear was so damn hard to let up, man. Man, I feel like I'm finna have a heart attack. Shit. Go ahead and get this damn paperwork, man, so we can leave, so we can roll. What's up, man? Door number 20. Don't need to sign it. Door number 20. Express cargo. Okay. Just like write the company name being signed below it. Yeah. Gotcha.
It's supposed to sign a clipboard too.
Alright. I don't think so. I want to say this when you came in because they don't ask for a checkout.
I checked in.
At the gate up there?
Yeah.
It's me too. I did too. I just wrote my company name and date. That's all. Oh, where you go? Yeah, you can see it. You probably should have gave my paperwork before you went back there. You distracted, man.
I'm already loaded. All we got to do is get the sealed paperwork.
Yeah, me too. You dropped over there and you need to drop a hook, didn't you? Okay, I saw you. Think you drive for a blue company, don't you?
Yeah, Butler.
Yeah, Butler, yeah.
Yeah, they told me, hook up the trailer and come around here to door 28.
Yeah. Wish I had me to drop a hook. It ain't taking nothing but an hour, though. An hour flat. It wasn't bad at all. All right, appreciate you. All right. All right, take it easy,
Yeah,
man.
you too.
All right. All right, got the paperwork hooked up. Got to close these trailer doors, and we out this time. Indianapolis.